And in today's video we're going to test Motorola Edge 50 camera. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 30 frames per second. And wide angle lens also. We are at the moment in the wide angle lens. Why is it so blurry? Did you notice how blurry everything is? Oh, now it's in focus. Struggling. I don't know. Anyway, holding with my hand, video stabilization. If you're on a vlog from this smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Anyway, the thing is, you cannot switch lenses during the recording in 4K 30. Any of them. So I have to turn it off, turn on again on the main lens, and this is how it looks like from the main lens. Vlogging style from the main lens again. And in order to take a telephoto, I will have to turn it off again and turn on again. You know what I mean? Alright, we are in telephoto. And 10x. Nice. Nice. Main lens available. It is fairly quick. And the telephoto, it means macro. Yeah, we can do macro from the telephoto. Very nice. Nice. Front-facing camera in 4K 30. Full length of my arm. Is it going to overexpose the sky? Oof, it will greatly. It wants to brighten up my face. If I'm out of the frame, it will correct itself very quickly. And it's quick. Woo. Damn. Video stabilization. Autofocus. Not available. There's none. Oh, we can turn off electronic image stabilization and it will be wider, but more shaky. It's definitely a wide view. And I'm using an external microphone because it's extremely windy. An internal microphone will sound just like that. But it is windy. Alright, let's start with slow motion. It's available in HD, which is, come on, HD, pathetic. And full HD in 120. Video, and we do have dedicated macro mode, but that's basically wide angle lens with autofocus. I mean, with a little bit of zoom, yeah? It's a little bit of tricky, but you can do macro nicely on the skin, on the ground. Oh yeah, you can do all kinds of macro. And of course, wide angle lens with autofocus available, but it is a bit glitchy. 1x, 2x, 3x, and that's for the zoom, all the way to 10x. And if you switch to the full HD, it will be 20x. Photo, and with photo you can go way further, 30x, but that's all like electronic zoom. Let me take the photo. Bam. Yeah, processing. AI generated photo. Alright, portrait. Bam. And Pro, we can shoot JPEG and RAW at the same time, or just RAW. There's no Pro for the video, unfortunately. Dual capture for photo and video. What does that mean? It means that you can record on two cameras at the same time. And you can put it in the middle, whatever you like. For vlogging, this will be cool. 50 megapixel. Let's check the photo. Did you see how glitchy it was? I'm not sure who's gonna use such a filters. All right. All right, let me show you some samples for photo. Pictures are excellent. We don't have oversaturating, we don't have undersaturating. It's not over-sharpening the image. Even in low light conditions, it's great. If you are a picture aficionado, then this smartphone is really good. It's not the best in the market, but it's good. Horizon lock could be a deal breaker for this smartphone. I think that's the only smartphone in the world, I mean a brand, not the smartphone, because other models have the same feature. Basically locking the horizon and you can film whatever you like. Upside down, sideways. Well, I think switching lenses during the recording is super cool, and not sure why we're missing that from such a device. For example. So if you don't care about the video, pictures is all fine. Okay, sometimes when you open the camera and you want to quickly take a picture, it will glitch, and it's a brand new smartphone, so if they just put a better processor into it. Or maybe you could buy a flagship from Motorola, link in the description, with a very cool discount. That's what I got. See you next video, bye.